Marinated chicken overnight with soy sauce, vinegar, onion, garlic and pepper. Keep stirring a little bit to place chicken orderly. Now it is time to light our stove and prepare for cooking. There are many ways to cook chicken adobo, and this is my style. Cover the pressure cooker and let it boil for about 10 to 12 minutes with medium setting. There are different hardness of chicken depending on how old the chicken is. If it is still hard after 12 minutes, you can still extend a little bit depending on your choice. Add a little bit of soy sauce to achieve desired taste. Chicken adobo is ready to serve. Chicken adobo, rice and home soy sauce are perfect combination, so let's eat and enjoy. Thank you for all our subscribers and for those who watched our previous videos. Next time I'll shout out all our subscribers to say hi and give our big thanks to you guys. And for those who will subscribe later, thank you in advance.